we're going to share 4 tips on how to save money while traveling around the country. At least it saved us a lot of money, so we want to share it with you. So here we go. Alright, so you want to know what we did that saved us a ton of money. I'm going to start off with number 4. Now our number 4 might not be your number 4. It might just be your number 1. It just depends how you like to camp. We prefer to boondock. So Passport America ended up on our number 4 for this trip. Although we've saved plenty of money with Passport America. And if you haven't heard of it, then I'm going to put a link right here that will bring you right to one of our videos that was all about Passport America and how you can save like 50% off and how to maneuver the website itself. So if you want to know about that, just follow that link and we'll move on to the other 3. So number 3 would be RV Parky. Are you familiar with it? Well, we weren't either, but we got familiar with it, and I'm glad that we did, because if you are somebody who you don't want to spend $40 on just, I don't know, putting your head on a pillow for a night to catch your Z's so you can hit the road again in the morning, this is a great app. RV Parky will allow you to look up all the different places that you can overnight. So whether it be a Walmart, a Cabela's, a casino, it'll give you different spots on where you can overnight and what the stipulations are, everybody's reviews. So as long as you look at the reviews, this is a great app for you. So here's RV Parky. You can see this website is pretty easy to use. Just click onto whatever Walmart that you're inquiring about. This one's got 0 reviews, so most likely you're not allowed to park there or stay there overnight. So I'll move it along to this other one. This one has 10 reviews, so you're allowed to park there. Make sure you read everybody's reviews so you understand the stipulations, and don't do what this guy is doing. Don't shower in the parking lot. Alright, and our number 2 is going to be the annual National Park Pass. I'm sure you heard of it, and if you haven't, definitely get one. If you're going to go to more than 2 parks in a year, national parks that is, I suggest you get this pass. This pass includes you and 3 other adults, and kids under 16 are free anyway, with tons of locations. It is only an $80 pass. Most of the parks that you're going to go to, the big ones anyway, are $35. So I definitely suggest if you're going to go to like the Grand Canyon or Zion that you definitely look into getting one of these passes, because it's going to save you a lot of money. And this pass alone saved us hundreds of dollars because we hit up a lot of different national parks. So if you're going to do a decent amount of national parks, get yourself one of these passes. And don't worry, I'm going to link all the different links below so you can find them no matter what. Okay, and number 1 for us is, drumroll please. Okay, it's Campgrounds. You probably haven't heard of it, and if you did, you're loving it. Campgrounds was our lifesaver. It saved us so much money. This is Campgrounds. This is the website that saved us thousands of dollars being able to find different GPS coordinates to be able to camp for free. We use this website solely for its free camping. They do have a lot of other things to offer. It's just we solely used it for the free camping. Now they do have different reviews on here. It allows you to be able to know your surroundings just by the reviews. So pay attention to all the reviews that they put down. It's people who have already been there, have already experienced these locations, so take it from them on if it's muddy, if you're going to get stuck. Like right here, it says that you can stay for 7 days, and the longest rig that was reported to be back there was 40 feet. So you know if you're a big rig, you can fit. Also, it's got decent cell coverage. Some document that they only got 1 bar, some got 2 bars. Rob and I would probably pass on this location solely because of its cell coverage. Now, this location perhaps looks amazing. The views look absolutely amazing. Now, if its cell coverage was decent, then this is something that we would probably end up going with. You can't get these views from a campground. And look at that. The max stay is 16 days. The cell service is absolutely awesome. You got almost perfect bars. Plus, everything's got 4 and 5 stars. Okay, come again. I'll take it for free. How about you? Take it from Rob and I, if the reviews state that it's loud, take it from us, it's loud. We had one that it stated that it was near railroad tracks and that it was absolutely annoyingly loud. Well, we didn't take that review serious enough. So, if you go back to our Hot Lava Springs video, that'll tell you all about that boondocking experience, and that was a bad experience due to the fact that we did not take those reviews seriously. So, I definitely recommend that when you are going through this site, make sure you look at every single one of those reviews, because that is going to be your insight on whether you're going to have a pleasant experience or not. Okay, so as you can see, Campendium is an awesome website. We have the best boondocking locations with the best scenic views for free. Why would we go to a campground and spend money when we had such pretty views? So this is something to think about. If you're somebody who doesn't need hookups like we didn't, we had solar, so we were okay to boondock. It wasn't a bad thing for us. So if you have the same setup, I definitely recommend Campendium. So as you can tell, these 4 things will save you a ton of money. Now, I will make sure that I leave all the links below, so if you would like to get into Passport America, if you would like to get it onto the website for Campendium, if you would like to get on the website for the National Park Pass, I got you. It's right down below. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I will keep you informed as best as I can. And, like I said, link below for any of those links. And I hope I can help you save money. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye now.